Hey guys, welcome back this week. It's Jen with A Little Greenery. I'm so glad to see you. I hope everybody's having a great week and a start to a good summer few months coming up here. I know it's getting a little warm outside and people are starting to play outside and take walks in parks, and it's so good to see that. I hope you've been able to enjoy, if you're in your area, if it's been beautiful and sunny like it has been here in Texas, I hope you enjoy it. This week I want to talk to you about an herb that's been around for about 2,000 years. You cook with it, but it is amazing for a lot of health issues. If you'd like to go get you a cup of tea at any time, you can pause this and then come back and join me. The purpose of these videos, they're free by the way, and I want them to stay that way. My passion is herbs. I love herbs, and I believe that God put everything on our earth that we need for natural healing. And it's out there, we just need to know about it. So I feel like if I share an herb with you every week, then eventually you're gonna get some knowledge, or you're gonna get a desire to seek out more knowledge about what might be going on with you. In the future, I will have classes and I will teach herbal medicine, and I'll do it here. So if you subscribe to my channel, and once you subscribe, there's like a little bell, and if you want to hit that bell notification, then it lets you know that I've uploaded a video. But if you want to subscribe or go to my website at thelittlegreeneryherbs.com, then you can click on newsletter, and I'll also post there when I do my classes. And I would love to have you come join me. We're going to have a lot of fun in the future. But I want to keep these simple, and I want to keep them free, because I really want you to know what you have at your fingertips to help you. This week we're going to talk about garlic. We know it as the herb that gives us very bad breath after eating. We know it also in most of our Italian dishes. It's a great herb, can cause acid reflux, and in nursing mothers it can cause colicky babies. Those are your worst drawback symptoms. So we'll take it slow, right? Okay, I do garlic capsules, and you can buy them at just about any drugstore or healthy organic store. I take about 4 a day, and they're little gel capsules. So you can do that, and then that way I don't have to worry about the garlic breath or the aftertaste or anything like that. Garlic is loaded in vitamin C, B6, magnesium. And it's also antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal. So it covers a broad range of illnesses, and it's very good for cold, viruses, and flu. Also helps with respiratory issues. It helps fat in the liver. It helps dissolve the fat in the liver. It helps lower your cholesterol. It's great with circulation. Lowers blood pressure, helps with blood clots, and let me see what else. Oh, it can detoxify the body. I bet you didn't know you had this right at your fingertips, right in your kitchen cabinet. Now, like I said, you can cook with it, and food is great medicine. So if you're cooking with it, that's awesome. You don't want to make a tea with garlic. Unfortunately, that wouldn't be good. But like I said, you can do it in capsules. If you have an earache, you can make garlic oil. And garlic oil is great to cook with as well. But also too, you just put a couple drops in the infected ear, and you'll just want to keep this, get it to room temperature. Once you make the oil, which you'll get your garlic bulbs and put them in a pan with olive oil, and depending upon how much you want to make, you can do a couple cloves of garlic and then a cup or 2 of olive oil. You just really want to cover the herb and then have a little extra. It's pretty strong, it's pretty potent. You can put it in the windowsill, or you can put it in a pan and cook it on a very low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. You do not want to boil it. You don't want to ever boil olive oil, but you can bring it to a low heat for that long, and it'll cook. Keep it in an airtight container. You can refrigerate it for up to 2 to 3 weeks. So if you've got flus, colds coming on, if you've got a baby that's got you know, a lot of ear infections going on, teething, you know, right in there. You know, garlic oil might be a good thing to have already made up. Another thing I like to do is to take an olive clove, slice off the end, the ugly end, wrap this part in foil and cover this in olive oil and bake it in your oven about 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. Roasted garlic, very good. Very, very good. So there you have it. I'm not a doctor. I don't give medical advice. I'm an herbalist and I give herbal knowledge. I am so glad you came this week to learn a little bit something more about what you have in your cabinet that can help you for better health. Here's to your health this week, guys. I'll see you next week, and I hope you're doing well. Bye-bye.